先輩は優しい人なんだな、おい。俺は男と喧嘩するとき股間しか狙わねえ。
Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Japanese with Anime. I'm Jasmine. On my channel, you can learn real Japanese through conversations used by anime characters. I created 4 questions that strengthen your listening skills and increase your vocabulary. For each question, listen to the conversation and fill in the blank space with the most appropriate word of the 4 options. Choose your answer while the conversation is played twice. After checking the answer, we will practice pronunciation together. Well, let's get started.
Question 1. First try.
股間しか狙わねえ。
Second try.
股間しか狙わね
え。Answer.
Denji said, 股間しか狙わねえ。The answer is B. 股間
Groin.
Check out the other options. 時間
Time.
夜間
Kettle.
みかん
Mandarin orange. Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me. 時間股間夜間みかん Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
Time. Groin. Kettle. Mandarin orange.
Amazing!
Question 2. First try.
じゃあ殴って正解だったな。
Second try.
じゃあ殴って正解だったな。
Answer.
Aki said, じゃあ殴って正解だったな。The answer is D. 正解
Correct answer.
Check out the other options. 飲み会
Drinking party.
魚介
Seafood.
社会
Society. Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me. 飲み会魚介社会正解 Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
Drinking party. Seafood. Society. Correct answer.
Excellent!
Question 3. First try.
先輩は優しい人なんだな、おい。
Second try.
先輩は優しい人なんだな、おい。
Answer.
Denji said, 先輩は優しい人なんだな、おい。The answer is C. 優しい。
Nice, kind.
Check out the other options. おいしい。
Delicious, tasty.
わびしい。
Miserable.
まずしい。
Poor. Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me. おいしい。わびしい。優しい。まずしい。Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
Delicious. Miserable. Nice. Poor.
Great job!
Question 4. First try.
全員悪魔に殺されたよ。
Second try.
全員悪魔に殺されたよ。
Answer.
Aki said, 全員悪魔に殺されたよ。The answer is A. 全員。
All members.
Check out the other options. 満員。
Full house, no vacancy.
駅員。
Station employee.
会員。
Member, membership. Pronunciation practice.
Please repeat after me. 全員。満員。駅員。会員。Now listen to the word in English and pronounce it in Japanese.
All members. Full house. Station employee. Membership.
Outstanding! Check the description box if you want to learn kanji. The 60 new Japanese words can be found there. That's all! How did it go? If you did learn something new, make sure to click that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I really appreciate you. I will see you in the next video. じゃあねー。